Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who needs hands-free lighting. This is the LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight, your ultimate solution for bright, reliable illumination. Trust me when I say, this is the best LED headlight for all your adventures. With an impressive 1200 lumens, this ultra-light headlamp delivers bright, focused light that can easily illuminate your path, whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling projects around the house. It's equipped with advanced LED chips that provide maximum brightness without compromising battery life. But what sets the LHKNL headlamp apart? For starters, it's rechargeable. No need to keep buying batteries, simply plug it in, and you're good to go. The built-in 1500 mAh battery not only charges quickly but also allows for continuous use, so you can light up your night for hours on end. Another standout feature is the long press function. If you're in any mode and want to turn the light off instantly, just hold the mode button for 3 seconds. It's that simple. Plus, the motion sensor function lets you turn the light on or off with just a wave of your hand, ideal for those moments when your hands are full or dirty. With 8 different lighting modes, this headlamp has you covered for any situation. You can switch between a strong beam, weak beam, side beam, red beam, and even an SOS mode. Whether you're trying to find your way in the dark or signaling for help, this headlamp has the versatility to meet your needs. Weighing only 1.87 ounces, this headlamp is incredibly light and comfortable. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit for both adults and kids, so everyone can enjoy its benefits. And with its 60-degree pivotable head, you can easily adjust the light direction without having to move your head. Worried about using your headlamp in inclement weather? Don't be. The LHKNL headlamp has an IPX4 waterproof rating, making it resistant to rain and splashes. Whether you're caught in a drizzle or camping in the snow, you can rely on this headlamp to perform. If you're looking for a practical and thoughtful gift for your loved ones, this headlamp comes in a convenient 2-pack, making it an excellent choice for any occasion, be it Christmas, Father's Day, or just because. The LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight is truly an essential tool for anyone who loves the great outdoors or needs reliable lighting for everyday tasks. So there you have it. The LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight, with its impressive features and unbeatable performance, is definitely a game-changer. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay bright and stay adventurous.